everyone, it's Ivana again. So if you are planning to come to China, there are two apps that I highly recommend you to install and also to register. One is Alipay, the second one is WeChat. So today I'm going to show you how to install and also how to register these two apps. So first of all, of course, this is very easy. Just go to App Store if you are using an iPhone, or go to Google Play if you are using an Android phone. Then just type in WeChat on Alipay and then just to download and install it. This is very straightforward. First, let's start with Alipay. So wireless data, choose Villain and Cellular. Privacy protection tips, agree. Notification, of course, allowed. Phone number, just choose your country code and type it as it is. Service agreement, agree. Here comes the only information that is not in English. It means that press your finger onto the screen to finish the verification. So just follow the instruction. Verification code, of course. ID information, just fill in as it is. Track or not? I think either one is okay. If it is not, the app will pop up a note and let you know. Wait, be patient. We are almost done. The last step would be add your bank account. So we need to set your payment password and add your bank account information. Verification code, of course. Great, added successfully. We are all set to go. Contact us. Start an easy journey towards your dream home.